Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the new Microsoft Teams features introduced into the Microsoft Teams. But before we move to the video, here is a short intro. So right now I am in my Teams channel and I want to schedule a new post. So what I can do is I can click on the start a post button and going to provide a name like box cricket is speak, and I'm going to write it like we are going to have a box cricket match this week. And when I click on this plus icon, I will have a new option to schedule a message. When I click on it, I can select when we want to send this message. Let's say I want to select this message to be sent this Thursday at the specific time, let's say 9:30 p.m. And when I click on continue, now it shows me this message like the select post to deliver on Thursday. This is the time. If I go and change it, want to change it, I can just go and click on this. So when I click on this post, right, this message is being scheduled. And how can I know that? When I go and click on edit, this message is still not available to the users, but it is scheduled. Okay. Yeah. So this is the second feature is renaming of general channel into the Microsoft Teams. So this is a long awaited feature request from the user. So when I go and click on the general channel and click on these three dots, right, I can go and edit channel. And here I can rename my channel name. So let's say I want to say it as village home, right? So when I go and click save, it will take some time to save the changes which we made. And as you can see, the name has been changed. Okay, how cool is that? Right. So in this way, the Microsoft Teams helps the user their general channel to make the navigation and personalizations easy for their users. Another cool is thing is that let's say there are multiple channels we are having in this team. It is going to alphabetical order, right? Let's say if I go and try to create a new channel that is, let's say, tasting, right? That is the standard, and let me just go and try to create, right? So if I go and check, so as you can see the tasting is coming up on the top, then the village home because it's in alphabetical order, right? The third new feature enhancement into the Microsoft Teams is related to the enhanced calendar integration. So the now the team has merged the Outlook calendars functionality into the new Microsoft Teams calendar, but by default it is not enabled. You have to go and click this new calendar button to make and enable that. Once I go and click in this new calendar button, the page will reload, and this new calendar has said calendar view, the customized views and integration to save a lot of your time. So for example, as you can see, there are three calendars, which three or more than three calendars, like one, two, three, four calendars are being displayed: birthdays, calendars, United States holidays, and YJ said mailbox. Right? If I go and uncheck them, as you can see, the other things are being removed. Right? I have a customer as well. So this is the main calendar. You see this whole new view on top. Let's say this is the selection of week, which selection of month or week we want to go and see the values for that particular or the calendar events for that particular month or week. If I want to jump to the today, I can just go and click on this button to jump onto the today. If I go into create new event, that could be a channel meeting, that could be a new event, webinar, town hall, virtual appointments, view all. If I want to create any current meeting, like meeting right now, I can also do that. I have another specific video on this new experience of the Microsoft Teams calendar. You can go and check out onto my channel, right? And let me know if you want to go and deep dive into this Microsoft Teams new calendar itself. So let's say I want to create new event at the moment. When I just go and double click new event calendar, a page which is going to be open where we have these team joining. That could be an online meeting or offline meeting, if that is an on day event, if this is an in-person event or what. If you go and check the in person, this particular prefix is going to be added, right? All these stuffs, and here you also see like availability of different members who are going to be available for that meeting, right? And I can also see my availability whenever I am setting up that meeting. So it is a there are a lot of bunch of new enhancements are coming up in these calendar events and the calendar. So as for example, these meeting options are going to be available from here as a pop-up, and you can go and set it. You can categorize that and all that stuff. Great to see, and it is a very good new enhancement, I can say, into the new calendar events, the new calendar control into the Microsoft Teams. The another enhancement that has been to Microsoft Teams is resizable of the columns. So as you can see, when this is my right side of pane where we have the chats and channels and all that stuff. If I want to resize this, I can just hover over this line and I have this resizable pane. It can be resized. As you can see, I can just resize them. And according to that, the values of the channel or the team name are being resized. And the same thing goes on the right hand side panel as well. If I go and the right hand open, the panel is open, I can resize that. And according to that size, the middle window, the middle screen is also being resized, right? So this is pretty cool and I like it that much, very much. Another cool feature that has been introduced into the Microsoft Teams is related to the hyperlink. Let's say I want to go and provide uh, a chat message into this particular tasting channel, right? Check out this new feature on my YouTube channel, or check out this new video on my YouTube channel, right? So before, if I want to provide any hyperlink, let's say I'm like this, I want to copy this video URL. So before, what I have to do is I have to select this YouTube channel, then Control K to put in my hyperlink. Okay, but now instead of doing all of these steps, what I can simply do is I can just select whatever value I want to do and press Control V, and that will treat it as an hyperlink. Very cool, right? I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I am uploading a new video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Thank you.